slightly mad. I'm going slightly mad.
Oh, really? You think that they should know that? Well, if you want to tell them, you can. All right. Aloysius has a message for you. Please like and subscribe. Okay, you happy now, Aloysius? Yes? Yes? All right, good. Hello. I'm here to talk to you on this April Fool's Day about hoaxes. Not really certain why they asked me. Can you think of a reason? I don't know, but I keep getting asked to do things like this and I really don't understand why. Anyway, I've been told about these things. They will be fun. I hope they're fun. O'Malley hoax. 1944, James Macaulay and Harold Stewart conspire between themselves to create this person called O'Malley, who has supposedly died at the age of 25 and left this collection of modernist poetry. They then send this, care of his sister, to Max Harris, who is the editor of The Angry Penguins. Max Harris not only accepts the poetry at face value, he publishes it. And it comes out that they've made a fool of Max Harris and his modernist pretensions, supposedly. That's a very famous one. There's a musical about O'Malley, I think. Something weird. Anyway, second one, sorry, wandered off there. Second one is Helen Demidенko and the hand that signed the paper. She was very weird. You might remember her. I remember her. I remember watching her on television and she wore all these pretend Ukrainian folk blouses and did a funny little dance and pretended that the whole thing was family history. Yeah. I think she was a bit more off the planet than I am. Anyway, next one is the Wonderful Matri hoax. She supposedly wrote My Own Sweet Time, a memoir of her life. And this one was concocted by Leon Carmen and John Bailey, who wanted to prove that it was easier for a black woman to be published than a white man. Not only was the book published by an Indigenous publisher, it won a prize. Yes, very, very, very peculiar. Before it all came out that, yeah, it was fake. Fake. They were inspired, in fact, by O'Malley. And the fourth one is the Norma Curry Forbidden Love, which was a fictional story about an honour killing in Jordan, but it was marketed completely as fact and is believed to have been very detrimental to people working in the area. Aloysius, it's bad, isn't it? Yeah, that one's bad. You know, I'm getting thirsty. All of this talking and thinking about this is making me thirsty. Oops. Probably not the best place to keep my cup. Anyway, I'm going to have to be quick now because I am thirsty. Finally, we have They're a Weird Mob by Nino Colotta, an Italian journalist who comes to find out what life is like in Australia, where new Australians are coming from. Yeah, whole thing. John O'Grady. Yeah, not really as exotic as he made out that he was. I'm going to have tea later, and I'll need a new cup. Anyway, I think to stop from being a fool, an April Fool in fact, you should take advantage of Black Cockie Press's Devil in the Detail sale, because only a fool would miss out on 75% off a creative writing class. De Volker Finger, ich bin ja dies Buch, Twinkle, twinkle, little bat, how I wonder where he's at. Bye-bye.